Hi there, Lisa here from DippyDyes, and I just got this goodie in the mail today, and it is all full of postcards for Quiltfest Lancaster, and I'm really thrilled. I'm going to be teaching on Saturday the 11th, and I'm teaching a basic dye class with a focus on dyeing to get transparency effects. If you don't need that, you should take the class anyway, because we're going to cover everything, the basics of dyeing cotton fabric for quilting. And we're also, everybody will get recipes, trying to make it easy for everybody. And I hope you'll go sign up and join us at Quiltfest Lancaster. So my class is on Saturday from 9 to 4, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Thanks.